What's up, YouTube? You can do 3000 here, and today I have 12 packs of Lord of the Tachyon Galaxy to open for you. So that is half a box. So let's open this up. See if we can't pull a Draco sack. So here we go. First pack. And we get a Harpy's Pet Phantasmal Dragon and a Ghost Fairy Fabio. So super rare, pretty cool. Got the baby dragon there. Here we go, next pack. See if we get something awesome. Here we go. A Mecha Phantom Beast Tetherwolf. And just a rare. Next pack. So yeah, half a box. So pack, see if we can get a secret out of here. And we get a Do a Barrel Roll. Rare. Next pack. Come on, here we go. Let's see here. Got a baby dragon. A Blaster Dragon Roller of Inferno. Nice. And then a Hysteric Sign. Pretty cool, super rare. So that was a good pack. You get another baby dragon. There we go. Next pack. And a baby dragon. A XYZ Revenge. And a Noble Knight Gualchavad. A ultra rare. Pretty cool. It's nice. Okay, we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packs left, including this one. So come on, see if we can get a secret. Come on. A Altitude Knight and a Duck Fighter. Pretty cool. Next pack. Doing pretty good, I guess. See if we get a Ghost Rare, but pretty cool. Harpy's Pet Phantasmal Dragon. Just a rare. There we go. A Battling Boxer Lead Yoke, or Yoke, however you call it. And there's the Hulk. Got 4 more packs left. Come on, secret rare. Where are you? Come on, Draco sack. A Trifortress Ops, and just a rare. 3 more packs left. Come on. Get something good. There we go. A XYZ or CXYZ Dark Fairy Cheer Girl, and a Gear. Super rare. 2 more packs left. Come on, secret. Where are you, secret? Come on, Draco sack. That's what I want. Come on, here we go. A Battling Boxer Lead Yoke and a Harpy Chandler. Ultra rare. Pretty cool. And the Hulk again. And for the last pack. Come on, secret. How can you get 12 packs and not get a secret? Come on. Fairy Cheer Girl, and we get, just a rare. No secret. Sucks. But, let me see here. I did get a couple of supers and 2 ultras. So I got a Hysteric Sign. Camera focus. Come on, focus camera. I go Hysteric Sign. A Ghost Fairy Elphobia, a Gear, Duck Fighter, Harpy Chandler, and a Noble Knight Gualchavad. So there we go. Everything is for sale or trade. Just PM me. And remember to like and subscribe, and see you later.